Here's how to make your phone go faster. First of all, go in settings. After in settings, go down, scroll down, go about device. After about device, go in software info, or else if you do not have, go into the version info, phone info, or it will be the option that I will be showing will be available already. There will be no software info. So after going into software info for this particular version, go into build number and tap on the build number for 10 times. I have already enabled the developer mode, so it will not show in mine, but if you have to enable, tap on it 10 times. After that, go back, again go back, it will show developer mode has been enabled. After that, go in developer option, then go down, and then here you will say window animation scale. It is normally set on 1. Go set it on 0.5, or if you don't want any animation and want it to be the fastest, do animation off. But I want a bit of animation, so I've done it to 0.5x. So now it is faster. Thank you for watching. And one more thing, it is only applicable on Android, not on iOS.